Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
How is everyone doing?
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, congratulations
I'm
for
good.
the birthday of your son.
Arey, thank you so much, beta. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am. Morning, I have seen your status.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. We were doing question answers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
We'll
please tell us
continue.
marks today.
Good morning, ma'am.
Continue. Good
Ma'am,
morning,
please.
Jen. We will continue with that only, okay?
Okay, ma'am. First, tell us marks, ma'am, please.
Marks? Why do you want to know the marks?
Yes, ma'am. Please tell the mark.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Please tell
ma'am.
now.
Yes, ma'am.
No. Let me first share the screen with you all for the question answers.
Ma'am, yesterday also you said this only and you didn't tell.
I didn't tell you the marks. See, we'll be
Yes,
having PTM in within this week only. So let it be a suspense for you all.
No, ma'am, not a suspense.
Why?
Ma'am,
Why
suspense
not?
को थोड़े चाहिए.
Suspense
Ma'am,
को
थोड़ा
थोड़ा-
ट्रेलर दे दीजिए.
Ma'am, don't
Trailer
tell.
दे
Do you
दीजिए.
only
Ma'am,
know
trailer.
marks of geography or whole SST?
Beta, I only made the question paper, no, for the whole this thing.
Oh,
Hmm.
ma'am, please tell.
Please
ma'am.
tell.
Ma'am, please tell.
We will be wasting
Please,
time
ma'am.
necessarily, isn't it?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No,
Just
ma'am.
tell the
No,
marks.
ma'am.
We have got so many things to do, you know. We have got 3, 4, 5, 6 chapters to complete for this examination. 4 chapters, you
Yes,
understand?
ma'am.
4 chapters?
Yes, ma'am. मैम हमें मैम लिखना भी पड़ता है. हम आपसे कह रहे तो हमें बताइए ना मार्क्स.
नहीं, आपको लिखना पड़ता है. I know this, है ना? But the thing is that कि wait a second. Question. Okay. We were on which question? Please tell.
F part second. Ma'am, G
We
part
were
second
on
question.
Huh?
Ma'am, 80 to 100 word second question we have to do.
Okay, 80 to 100
Yes,
second.
ma'am.
Give an account of the world distribution. Nahi beta, think and answer we have to do.
I am just coming in few minutes. Going to shop.
No, ma'am. We have not done second one.
We have not done second one.
Ma'am, you said that we will leave this question.
Yes, very good. I really
Yes,
like
ma'am.
this thing about Jen. If she remembers each and everything, you know, this is such a good thing. Okay, can you all see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So we will do
Yes, ma'am.
think and answer today, okay? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Give an account of the world distribution. I told you we will not do. So think and answer. Why is the jute industry concentrated in the Hooghly River Basin in India? You have to tell this answer.
Ma'am, it is concentrated in the. Ma'am, it is in the.
Maybe because it needs a lot of water.
Metal.
Very good. It needs lots of water. Yes, Akshat, tell beta.
Ma'am, Dhruv.
हाँ sorry ध्रुव बेटा. हाँ sorry बोलिए.
Near the sea, it provides a water transport also.
It requires transport also. बताओ.
Ma'am, it requires
Basin,
a
ma'am,
lot of
there is-
water. That can be the main. That's the
Great
main reason.
benefits, ma'am, from water transport.
Hmm?
And ma'am, Hooghly Basin is in Bengal, and Bengal is a good center of market.
Okay. Okay, you can say this. What else?
Ma'am, it has a benefit of cheap water transport.
Cheap water transport. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What else?
Ma'am, its geographical conditions like ma'am, rainfall and soil.
Okay, I have shared one, okay, I have shared one message over here. So let me share it with you. How to enlarge this? Can you read out? The
Yes, ma'am.
jute,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, the jute
the jute industry is.
Mainly
Read out, Anshuman. Read out for me, beta.
constant.
Ma'am, may I read out?
The jute industry is mainly concentrated in West Bengal due to the following reasons. The soil of the Ganga-Brahmaputra Delta in West Bengal is suitable for the growth of jute, and hence many jute industries are located here. West Bengal has a
Humid climate.
humid climate and a rainfall up to 200 centimeter, which is essential for the jute crop.
Yes. This is the answer for this. Think and answer, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Next. Next is explain the influence of raw materials, power supply and transport facilities in the location of industries. You write your answers and send it on the class group. I will check there. I am waiting for your responses. Okay, write down. First and second, both think and answer you write and send it on the class group. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
I am waiting for your
Yes.
replies. Writing class.
Ma'am, in first think and answer, can we write they also get cheap labor from neighboring states like Bihar and Odisha?
Yes, yes, you can write. You can write, beta. You can write.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, what do we have to tell in the second question? Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, first question completed. May I send?
Our first question completed.
Send it on the class group, and the second one you continue with them. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have sent it.
Okay, I'll just check.
Ma'am, send.
Yes, Tanishka, what did you say, beta? Tanishka?
Ma'am, Zainab has said.
Sorry.
I have not said
Ma'am,
nothing.
I have sent that. I have sent.
I said no. Do the second one. Second one also done?
No, ma'am, doing.
I'll just check. Huh? Zainab is in B section or A section?
B.
Ma'am, B section.
Okay, fine. Checking. Harshita. Okay, very good, Harshita.
Ma'am, all points are correct.
Going through, beta. Going through. Give me a minute. Very good. All points are correct, Harshita. Children, you can keep posting your answers to me. Zainab, you can also add this point of cheap labor is available from the neighboring states, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Others, I'm waiting. Okay. A section nobody has sent. See, in your final exam class, these think and answer questions will also come. We will discuss all of them, which are part of your syllabus, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Others, please send, beta. You people are not sending your answers. This is not done.
Ma'am, can you explain what's the second question?
Second question is asking you that how the raw materials like power supply and transport facilities influence the location of industries. भाई किसी भी जगह पे इंडस्ट्री सेटअप करने के लिए रॉ मटेरियल, पावर सप्लाई और ट्रांसपोर्ट फैसिलिटीज जो है वो किस तरीके से सेटिंग अप ऑफ एन इंडस्ट्री को जो है इन्फ्लुएंस करती है. भाई मुझे खेती करनी है, मुझे फार्मिंग करनी है, मुझे चावल उगाना है, तो हम किस जगह पे चावल हम कहाँ पे जो है ग्रो कर पाएंगे. राइस रिक्वायर्स लॉट ऑफ वाटर बिफोर ripening at the time of sowing.
Yes, ma'am.
Saplings, they require a lot of water. So where ideally I should go for this, in Rajasthan, western part of Rajasthan, or in say North India. Where should I go?
Ma'am, North India.
North India.
Why not western part of Rajasthan?
Ma'am, because
Ma'am,
there is, ma'am,
yeah,
not
ma'am,
because
because
that
needs
much
a lot of
not water, ma'am.
Because there is lack of water. Rajasthan is a dry place, especially the
scarcity
western part.
of water.
Especially the western part of Rajasthan is a dry area where hardly water is available. So if I have to grow rice over there, I have to add additional resources to it. And because of using, adding additional resources, I may have to invest a lot of money in that. Right? Right,
Yes,
class?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is based in Tamil Nadu. This
It is
Bihar.
based in?
No, ma'am. Rice is best, ma'am, to grow, ma'am, Tamil Nadu. In this.
Because Tamil Nadu, not in Tamil Nadu, Kerala and even Odisha, West Bengal, because here sufficient, water is available for its growth, right?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Very good, Aman. Okay, now coming to see, as the chapter is over, you tell me when will you give me your work, notebook work?
Ma'am, tomorrow.
Ma'am, not tomorrow.
I'm 13.
13th.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
13.
13. Ma'am, 13.
30.
Yes, ma'am, 13.
So today is 11th, 12th, 13th. 13th, I don't have a class with you. So you will be sending your work on Friday, right? Okay, 13th evening.
Okay, ma'am.
See, 13th evening you can send whether I have a class with you or not, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Ma'am, you have to send it on your personal number or on the group.
Of course, PDFs you will send on my personal number only. Then only I'll be able to make out. Otherwise, group may if you will send, how I will come out. I have to check each and every this thing. No, on my personal number when you send
Okay,
the work, I'll be able to get it, right?
Okay, ma'am.
And I have also come across this practice that many of the people, those who share their work in the class groups, that work is stolen by others children, and by their name they send the PDF to the subject teacher, right?
Yes, ma'am. They change the filter of the
Work.
PDF and then send it.
Yes, this I have come across. That is why I don't want you people to send your notebook work there on the class group. Once I check it, I will be sharing it on the class group, or I'll write the names of the students, those who have given, and share one part of the PDF so that writing, people can recognize, right?
Yes,
Ma'am, is
ma'am.
there any map in this chapter?
I need to check. I think there is one map in this chapter. Good, you have asked this.
Ma'am, why he asked?
But map work is such a good thing, it is so scoring. You
Now
get
we have two
Ma'am.
that flow charts. We are already having flow charts.
in this chapter we have
Yes, ma'am.
map also. We
Please
will.
leave the map.
No, why?
Sorry, ma'am.
Ma'am, major industry regions and cities.
No, not the major
Yes,
industrial,
ma'am.
not the major industrial regions, but we will.
Ma'am, I am only confirming.
You confirmed, no? Map so as it is part of geography. As many as you do, it is good for you only, right? So what we are going to mark is, we will mark the iron and steel industries. Some of the countries I will tell you to mark. For textile also, some countries I will tell you to mark. And right, so for textile, cotton textiles, separate countries. Jute industry, separate countries. Silk textiles, separate industry, separate countries. And for synthetic textile, different countries. So I am sharing this.
Ma'am, ma'am, the countries, ma'am, are written in that, ma'am, paragraphs also, ma'am, in book.
It is written, but I will not tell you to mark or underline because you people create a lot of confusion. So I am sharing the screen here with you all, right? And sending you the. Give me a minute only. By the time you keep your books ready and pencils with which you will be writing, right? Okay, write down one heading, map work, chapter 8. Map
Chapter 8.
chapter 8. Yes. Hanji.
Ma'am,
Which?
ma'am, on which map we have to mark the states?
I will tell you. You will use world map. Okay. What
Ma'am,
you
world political.
world political you will use to mark the.
Ma'am, of India or
बेटा world का map हम use करते हैं
World.
different countries
Okay.
of the world, right? So I am sharing the screen here with you all. I think these two flowcharts we did yesterday, right? Means the day whenever we did
Yes,
this.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes,
on
ma'am.
10th. No, ma'am, not on 10th.
Whenever we did.
Please send this PDF, ma'am.
This PDF I will have to send. Why? Why I have to
Ma'am,
send?
because I have not done this.
You go through the recording. Where is the problem? Make efforts like others that are attending the class. They are making efforts,
Okay.
right? Am I right, class, or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Map work. Okay, map work. Chapter 8. This is 8 only, no? On the
Yes, ma'am.
I hope my writing is legible. You all can read what
Ma'am, your writing is nice today.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank
Ma'am,
you.
that
Ma'am,
day
it
it was like,
looks like Arabic writing.
Arabic?
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, she has said today.
Okay. Mean maybe today she finds my writing good.
No, ma'am,
Ma'am, the
every day
day
you're
when we have
writing.
done these flowcharts,
Huh.
that day it was like not able to understand.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Why it was like that?
Ma'am, that I don't know.
Ma'am, you stopped screening.
Yeah, I did not stop. I don't know what happened all of a sudden.
Ma'am, first it rotate right and then it rotate left, then up and down, then the screen gone.
These things really create problem. Now I think it has come.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now it is coming.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. On the world political map, locate the following.
Ma'am, your handwriting is really very good.
Thank you, Mandrina. All motivation from you people I have taken, you know. Some of the students have got such a beautiful handwriting. So they inspire me more to write better. Right?
Yes, sir.
First is, no, I'm saying this. I'm not joking. Seriously, I'm saying. Iron and steel industry. A. USA. UK. France. You will be using different maps. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Ma'am, for iron and steel, different map.
For textile industry, different map, and for iron and steel, different map, so that there is no confusion in between the cities, right?
Ma'am, we have two
Okay.
maps, right?
Yes, two maps.
And ma'am, what
Ma'am,
is the syllabus for geography?
I have shared this chapter 8 and chapter 9. Sorry, chapter 8 and
Okay,
chapter
ma'am.
10. Chapter 8 and chapter 10, right?
Ma'am, only 2 chapters are coming in geography.
Geography only 2 chapters. Because history you
Okay,
have
ma'am.
3 and civics you have 3.
Ma'am, chapter 8 and chapter 10.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Japan. I think that the other day I made you write, no?
excuse me, ma'am.
Just a second, Tanishka. 7. Shall I give you 8 countries?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
9, 10. 2 more.
Ma'am,
Canada.
these how many are left?
Canada.
Ma'am, excuse me. Ma'am, we have to make ma'am two map, ma'am.
जी बेटा.
Ma'am, we have to make two map.
हाँ, 2 maps for the same chapter, but different industries you will be looking for. Different countries for different industries you will be locating. Okay.
Ma'am,
ma'am.
after Brazil, it's written what?
Brazil, Chile, and South Africa.
Ma'am, what's the second last one?
Ma'am,
Chile,
Chile, what's written?
चाइल बोल दो, चिली बोल दो, बात एक ही है. साउथ अमेरिका की कंट्री है. ठीक है. Then second.
Ma'am, this is one map.
हाँ.
Ma'am, iron and steel industry.
Yes. चलिए. Second.
Political.
Separate world political.
Ma'am, I really like your handwriting.
Thank you, beta. Locate the.
Ma'am, these are of iron and steel.
The red one is for iron and steel, and this blue one is for the cotton textile industry. ठीक है?
Chile is near Argentina.
Where?
Ma'am, near Argentina.
Chile?
Yes, ma'am.
Just a second. Yes. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Textile industry. Okay, textile industry. A. Cotton textiles. Beta, you will be using 3 different colors for the textile industry, because cotton textile you will be separating, you will be marking separately, silk separately, jute separately, right? ठीक है बेटा?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
sir. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
चलिए. So this is for cotton textiles.
Ma'am, cotton textiles, they are China, India,
हाँ,
USA.
you will write USA, China, India, Russia. 5 countries are okay, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
And for now, B. Woolen industry. US, Russia. USA, UK,
for wooden industry also we have to use another map.
no, same map, but different color. And if the countries are common, I will tell you how to write it, okay? Just write the names of the countries first. 5 done, okay? And last is synthetic, okay? Synthetic textiles. USA, Japan, Germany. USA, Japan, Germany, Russia, India. India. Okay, we are done. We are done.
Ma'am,
Hanji beta.
ma'am, ma'am,
हाँ हाँ
Russia is there in US.
Russia,
please scroll up.
Russia, USA,
please-
USA, Japan, Germany, Russia, India. These are the countries that you have to mark for the synthetics textile. Then silk industry, Russia, France, China, USA, India again. Woolen industry, Russia, USA, UK, Australia, New Zealand.
During 2 world map.
हाँ